Unraveling the delightful mystery of Bunny Chow. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into the flavorful world of a unique dish known as Bunny Chow. This isn't about rabbits or food for rabbits, but a South African cuisine that has an interesting history and cultural significance. Get ready to enrich your vocabulary and perhaps your appetite as well. Bunny Chow is not related to furry little animals as the name might suggest. Instead, it's a South African fast food dish consisting of a hollowed-out loaf of bread filled with curry. Originated from the Indian community in Durban, it has become a staple and a symbol of the cultural melting pot that is South Africa. The term bunny is thought to be a distortion of the word banya, which is a term used for Indian merchants, while chow simply means food. The origins of Bunny Chow date back to the apartheid era, where it emerged as a practical and portable meal option. During this time, people of color were not allowed in certain restaurants, so the Bunny Chow became a means to get a hot meal without going into the establishment. The bread acts as a container that can be gradually eaten, making no need for plates or cutlery, hence its popularity. In contemporary times, Bunny Chow has transcended its roots and is enjoyed by all South Africans, regardless of their background. It's a delicious representation of the country's history and its journey towards unity. Nowadays, Bunny Chow comes in many variations, with different types of curry, chicken, beef, vegetarian, and levels of spiciness. That brings us to the end of our delicious exploration of Bunny Chow. It's more than just a dish, it's a story of resilience, ingenuity, and cultural harmony. I hope you've enjoyed learning about this tasty piece of South African heritage and perhaps it has inspired you to try making your own Bunny Chow or learn more about South Africa's rich culinary traditions. Until next time, happy learning and bon appétit!